Hello, and welcome back. Today is going to be another meditation. So find yourself in the most comfortable position that is to you. Today I'm going to be standing up a little bit, feeling a bit more active with the energy. The first thing you want to do is shake off all the excess energy that's no longer serving you. Get rid of the weekend, yesterday, all those pestering thoughts for the future, all your anxieties. Just get it off. Just imagine. This release of this energy. As your hips, back, and legs begin to soften, start to imagine roots coming out of your feet, coming out of your back, your sit bones, and anchoring you deep into the earth, pulling you tight as we continue to release this energy that no longer serves us. We can even use these roots as a conduit to push this energy back into the earth, to recycle it. I want you to imagine a force field beginning to form around you to create a safe container of harmonious and positive energy. Just a big, brilliant force field around your being. Now imagine a deep and brilliant red light glowing from the base of your spine. If you'd like to connect your index finger and thumb to do the hand mudra, this is for the root chakra. Just imagine a deep and brilliant red light shining brightly from the base of your spine. It stands for I am and is your survival instincts, your most primordial energy. Just imagine a deep and brilliant red light within this container, rooted into the earth. Bring your awareness up to your belly, your sacral chakra. Hand mudra is resting the left hand on the fingers of the right hand and connecting thumbs. And imagine a deep and brilliant orange light shining brightly in your belly. This is known as your ocean of energy. It is the location of your small intestine where most of our nutrients are absorbed. So I like to think of it as where most of our energy is also absorbed. So imagine a deep and brilliant orange light shining brightly from your belly. Stands for I feel. In the key of D is your emotional center, and reproductive organs, hormones, lots of energy here, lots of action, creation. That's right above. Bringing your awareness up to your sternum. This is your solar plexus, navel chakra. It's in the key of E, stands for I do. Imagine a deep and brilliant yellow light shining brightly from this space. This is your actionary center. Imagine a deep and brilliant yellow light shining brightly, filling the space. Positive actions, harm to none, harmony to all. And moving your awareness up to your heart space. Oh, of course, it was the pyramid with the navel, fingers, thumbs, pointed straight. Back to the index finger and the thumb for the heart chakra, but one hand is down, one is up in your heart space. These hand mudras are to open up arteries and flow to those energy centers as it has been studied for thousands of years. Don't take my word for it. Imagine a deep and brilliant green light shining brightly from your heart. Is in the key of F, stands for I love, allowing us to love unconditionally ourselves and all those around us and all living things. Imagine a deep and brilliant green light. And bringing your awareness up to your throat space. This one's fun. Interlock your knuckles, kind of like church steeple inside all the people. Just like that. For your throat chakra, it is in the key of G. It's the color blue. Stands for I speak. Imagine a deep and brilliant blue light glowing from your throat space. Maybe we'll get into throat singing one day. We'll see. Giving us the courage to say the things we need to say and the wisdom to hold our tongue when appropriate. Imagine a deep and brilliant blue light glowing from your throat. Now bring your awareness up to the middle of your mind's eye, your brow, your third eye center, connecting the middle fingers and resting the middle digit of each other finger and the thumbs. Kind of makes a fleur de lis in a way. This is the third eye chakra. It's your creative centers. It is in the key of A, stands for I see. It is one of the most popular chakras. It's where you get the inner visions, allowing the light to dance behind your eyelids. Imagine a deep and brilliant purple light shining brightly in this space. And last but not least, simply interlace the hands. Bring your awareness up to the top of the head, like dew on a blade of grass. Imagine a deep and brilliant light shining brightly from the top of your head. It is the crown chakra. It is in the key of B. It stands for I know. Just imagine a deep and brilliant light shining brightly. Give thanks and gratitude to this full spectrum experience of life and all of its opportunities, synchronicities, and miracles. I ask those forces and energies, known and unknown, visible and invisible, right now and for eternity, to please continue to make yourself known and guide me in my daily practice. Please offer me your blessing, your patience and forgiveness, and most importantly, your protection. And so it is. There's also mantras for each one of these energy centers. The root is Lam, the sacral is Vam, the navel is Ram, the heart is Yam, the throat is Ham, the third eye is Om, and the crown is Om. And you can chant those while you do the chakra meditations as well to further deepen your practice, which maybe we'll do on the next video. Today was a quick supercharge chakra cleanse. We're going to go ahead and do some Tai Chi as well. Gather from the earth, bring up to the sky. Gather from the earth, push to the sky. Now we're going to gather from the sky, pull down to the earth. Gather from the sky, pull down to the earth. Gather, release. Yu Ding, going inward, giving ourselves time to just be present, not focusing on one thought or another, simply being here now. Focus breathing. Hope you enjoyed this quick meditation. Tune in for more.